How to add a password to a Microsoft Word document and protect your file from unauthorized access. First, open the Word document you want to protect. Then click File in the top left corner and select Info. Next, click Protect Document and choose Encrypt with Password. A password box will appear. Enter the password you want to use. Then click OK. Word will ask you to enter the password again to confirm it. Make sure you remember this password because Word cannot recover it if you forget it. Now save the document. The next time you open the Word file, you'll need to enter the password before you can access the content. That's how to add a password and password protect a Microsoft Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.